So now we'll be seeing flashcards, 2-digit tenders. So what is 2-digit tenders? I'll show you. 2-digit tenders is if you open the settings and set any question 2-digit tenders, you can see 2-digit numbers will be flashing 10 times. So 2-digit tenders means 10 numbers will be coming one after the other after this much time. So this is in milliseconds. So if you set it to 1250, it means each number will be coming after 1.25 seconds. So this is called as 2-digit tenders. Now Shashwat will be doing 3 questions, 2-digit 10 rows, and I'm entering the name. Include subtractions, yes. I'll keep it 1500. So we'll be doing 2-digit 10 rows. 3, 2, 1, go.
$66.
Okay, 66. Next one.
$238.
Right, 238. Now we'll see the results. Right, both of them are correct. If you see the results, it's 1500 milliseconds, 2-digit 10 rows, and including subtractions. Right, so these are the correct answers. Yes. So this is about flashcards. In the same way, we'll be doing multiplications also. So I'm opening multiplications.